for an unboxing of the IRocker stand-up paddleboard. I had a couple of Ulis from Costco, and those had a recall on them, so I had to return them. I did get a full refund, but I had to replace my paddle boards. So I did a lot of research, shopped around, read some information, and found out that I could use a good paddle board. So ordered these IRocker SUP stand-up paddle boards. Look at that, there she goes. This is the new version. This all fits into this small, holy. All that's in there. Wow. It all fits in here. This is about half the size of our old ones. It's got a carry handle on top. You can see it's really lightweight. It's got some straps on the sides. You can throw a towel in there. It does have, of course, you know, backpack straps. Let's break into this guy. Let's see. Looks like we've got a buckle right here. We've got the Velcro handle. This does expand a little bit and it rolls down. Look at that Velcro there. So that, you could actually fit a little bit extra gear in here. It does zip right here and right here. This little guy opens up. There's a box bag right here. I'm sure this is the air pump and so forth. Let's check it out. Oh. Okay. I've got fins. These fins snap in and there's a little tether that hooks onto it and keeps them locked in. Quick start guide. Whole bunch of stickers. A little dry bag. Here is a wrench or something. And a whole patch kit. There's a couple different color patches in there, some glue. We'll find out what that's for later. This does have our tether. The hose. The actual air pump. Hook the hoses to. Oh, look. Now this, I believe, is, here we go. Cord is right here. And this one should just plug right into your lighter. Cigarette lighter attachment. Also, I did notice there is a cigarette lighter attachment with battery cables, so you can hook this direct to your battery and plug it in and run it that way. So that'll probably fit in here. There's quite a bit of space in here for the cord. I'll just tuck that all back in there for now. I don't know. All in this nice little carry kit. That's really nice. All right, all that fit in here. That's crazy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all to fit back in there real quick, so I won't take your time. Let's break into the rest of this. Okay, so the actual paddle board. Ooh. It is wrapped up quite nicely. Oh, by the way, found the paddles. we do have some convertible paddles already that convert into a kayak. And we also have kayak seats from the Ulis that should fit this just fine. There's a strap to keep it together, and then this is just all wrapped right in. It's a lot darker color than I thought. It looks kind of green in this light, but it's supposed to be kind of a blue. But it looks really nice. It can fold. It folds in half, so the actual handle is not in the center. It's offset because of the way it folds in half. Also, the fins go 2 instead of 1 in the middle or 3 in the middle. So it's got the D-rings, see right here, so I can attach my seats. There's a lot of accessories for these that you can buy on their website also. You can see it has the bungees, it's got handles. This actually has a clip so you can disconnect it. I don't know how that works exactly, but let's see what else it's got going on with it. Looking pretty good. The handle on the back, a couple more handles here, handle on the back. The attachment points for the fins. Looks good. I think I'm gonna actually pump this up. All right. As you can see, it's inflated a little bit. I only put about 0.7 bars of air into it, just enough to kind of give it a little bit of heft. It's not fully inflated. Remember, it's not fully inflated. There's a few wrinkles in it. It says the wrinkles will come out as it's inflated. Here's the center line. Remember I told you that handle, it's a little offset so that you can fold this in half and fit it in that small backpack. Looks really nice. If you've got long arms, you can do it this way. If you got small arms, just flip it over and carry it the other way. Take this off. So this is, again, the IRocker Cruiser. There's 3 places like this. There's where there's a hole right here. It's like a 1/4 inch threaded hole where you can attach like a camera mount, like your action cam GoPro cameras. You can actually do mounts on them. There's 3 spots on them. We've had other paddle boards in the past that only had like 1 at the bow. Both the Lifetime hard-sided and the Ulis had just 1 camera mount at the front, but this has actually 3 camera mounts, so I can get some different angles. I actually do have 3 cameras, so that'll be nice. All right, that kind of wraps it up. I'll get this all put back away, and thanks for watching.